Hello, this is the second section of the Mastering Data Analysis in Excel course. In this section you will learn the essential techniques and advanced functions for analyzing data and creating powerful reports. Let's go to our data. As you remember, we have started our course with the raw data, and during the first section we have prepared it for analysis. We have created some columns. Here I left only the columns that we need. For example, we have extracted the year from the exact order date by the year function here. Also, we have splitted the initial customer ID using the X2 columns tool into two columns: code of product and original customer ID. We have added the full name of genders using if function, and also the group of ages of clients using logical functions if and AND. In addition, here we have performed some calculations of totals using advanced functions and techniques. Of course, using functions SUMIFs, COUNTIFs, and subtotals, you can calculate many useful business metrics from your data. But in Excel, there is a very powerful tool for more advanced calculations and comprehensive analysis. It is the pivot table that you can find in the Insert ribbon. Here. By pivot table, we can easily arrange and summarize data. Let's try. Select a cell in your data and click Pivot Table. In the opened window, you will see that the tool itself selected the range of your data. If your data without the breaks among the columns and rows, here will be selected the whole data. Below, you can choose where you want to create the pivot table, on the new worksheet, or maybe you want to select the place in the existing worksheet. Now let's create on the new worksheet. And about the last part, we will talk later. Click OK. Now you can see that in Excel there appeared a new sheet, new ribbons, Analyze and Design. Here the report builder, and on the right the most important part of the pivot table. In this window you can see all columns of your data, which can be used for creating reports. By selecting and shifting the fields from the list to these areas, you build your report. For example, we want to see the total revenue and operational expenses by the years. It means that we should shift years, year of order, to here as a rows. Look here. When the revenue to the values part, take revenue and shift it to here, and the operational expenses also to here. Because the both revenue and operational expenses are the numerical values, the pivot table at once calculates the sums of these columns by the indicator here. In our case, these are the years. Great! Now we have our first report built by pivot table. Now, for example, we can shift the gender to the columns. Let's take gender, full gender. Paste it here. And now we see the total revenue and operational expenses by the years and also by the gender. In addition, if we want to see the same picture of results but by the types of products, we can shift the product group, product category, to the filter area. And now here we have the filtering list. For example, we can select only the household appliances, and now we can see the total revenue by years and gender only from the delivering of household appliances. Great! These are the fundamental techniques of working with the pivot table. You can create reports and see the all results that you need only by the shifting the fields. In addition, by this sign, we can open the list, select Values Field Settings, and here choose the type of calculation. For example, we want to calculate number of orders instead of total amounts. We should select count here and also count for operational expenses. Now we can say that, for example, in 2016, from the female clients, we got 727 orders of delivering of household appliances, and so on. All groupings, calculations, and analysis become very easy. If you shift gender from here to this area, you will get such type of report. Or you can change the order here, and your report will be like this. Well, keep practicing. On the next lesson, we will continue analyzing data by pivot table. Thank you for watching.